color scheme. So let's make some color combinations. In order to make a color scheme, suppose in your app you have a primary color, which is blue. So how do we go about making color combinations? Let's select the top bar and fill it with a blue color, the primary color, which is blue. So we fill the top bar with a shade of blue, and now select the bottom bar and fill that with the same blue color as well. Okay. And now remaining, we have these two buttons for sign up and for sign in. So let's select the sign up and the sign in by holding the command key. And don't worry about how to do this if you don't know how to use Photoshop. You can look at all the lectures for Photoshop and how to use Photoshop, and then you'll understand how to select, make this shape, and then how to fill the color. Okay, now we have the sign in and sign up selected. Then go to the fill color. From there, select color and select that blue color, the same blue we filled our top and bottom bar with. We have that same blue in the color slider. And see, saturation is 100 and brightness is 94. So let's reduce the saturation. And you see, by decreasing the saturation, the more I decrease the saturation, you see this, the slider moves to the left. Okay, so let's say I'll change it to 45 and click OK. So you see we have a lighter shade of the same blue. And select the background layer, which is 0. Go to Edit, Fill, Color, and from here again we select the same blue color, and this time let's reduce the saturation to 20 and then click OK. Now see our background, which is the same blue color, but the saturation is 20%. So it's not looking quite good. Let's select this again, then edit the fill color. That same blue color, and this time let's decrease the brightness to, let's say, 30%. Click OK. The saturation is still 100%, but we have reduced the brightness from 94 to 30. Click OK. Okay. Now, see how our background looks? Now, let's say you want to colorize the text for the sign up and sign in. So select the sign in and sign up, and then go to the character panel, and suppose you want to fill the text color with this one. Select the color, and this one, OK. Click OK, and see how the text looks. It's not readable. The user cannot read this text. You want to make sure the text is opposite of the background, and that means it has a lot of contrast in the color. So again, select the character panel, color, and this time let's choose black and click OK. Now we have a very nice contrast between the background color and the text color, so the user can easily read the text. Let's look at some websites that will help you create color combinations and schemes. Here's a color.adobe.com. You can come here. You can play with this color wheel. Take a slider and move it from here to here. You'll see 5 different colors will result from changing the saturation, the brightness, and hue. It will make a new color palette or color scheme for you. After making your color palette, you can save it, and then you can open it in your Creative Cloud. Now let's click Explore. Here you will see tons and tons of color schemes already grouped. You can copy those, you can edit them, you can get the link, and you can save it. Those are all the color schemes in color.adobe.com/explore/newest. Okay, and the next one is Peloton. In Peloton, you can make your own color scheme by just moving the slider. See, you have a new color scheme here. Okay, select. Now let's save with this one. Select the Share palette. And now from this image, right-click the mouse button and save the images. You can save your color scheme. And the next one is here at colorlovers.com. And here, you can just play with the slider and you will see a color scheme made for you. Just play with it. Okay, and you have to log in to save this color scheme you created. And there will be an attachment. Find the attachment to a PDF of all the websites to make a color scheme. Go to this website, flatulacolors.com. At this website, you will find very nice user interface color presets for you. Just click on the color and the hex code will be copied. And next, go to uigradients.com. In this site, you'll find a number of very nice gradients for the user interface for the UI. You'll find some awesome gradients pre-made. Let's choose this one, the electric violet. Electric violet has to be 2 different hex codes. You can copy and you can paste those into Photoshop and in the Sketch app. Next one is Apple Color, the Apple user interface color. Web address is developer.apple.com/iOS/human-interface-guidelines/visual-design/color. And here you will find very nice colors given by Apple for the designer: red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, blue, purple, and pink. And you can read this document, their guidelines, while you are designing apps for iOS. The next one is the material design color. The website address is material.google.com/style/color.html, and you will find very nice color palette made by Google for the Android. And they have very different shades and tints. This is the tint. Going to the shade of this. Pink color, and then purple from the tint to the shade. Very nice color palette, pre-made for you for Android. And there are some guidelines how to use the color for the material design of Android apps. So thank you for watching this lecture.